Welcome back to my channel with new video on Toyota Land Cruiser V8. Toyota Land Cruiser, the ultimate SUV that has earned its reputation as a symbol of rugged reliability and luxury. Today, we'll dive into what makes this vehicle a standout choice for discerning drivers. Exterior design. At first glance, the Toyota Land Cruiser commands attention with its bold, commanding presence. The sleek, muscular lines are complemented by a distinctive front grille and high-intensity LED headlights, giving it a strong, sophisticated look. The vehicle's robust stance is supported by a set of 18-inch or 20-inch alloy wheels, making it clear that this SUV is built for both elegance and adventure. Interior luxury. Step inside the Land Cruiser, and you're greeted by a cabin that exudes luxury and comfort. Premium leather upholstery, real wood trim, and meticulous craftsmanship create an ambience of refinement. The spacious interior offers 3 rows of seating, with ample legroom and a versatile cargo area to handle all your needs. The dual-zone automatic climate control ensures that all passengers travel in comfort, technology and infotainment. The Land Cruiser comes equipped with the latest technology to keep you connected and entertained. The high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The premium JBL audio system delivers exceptional sound quality, and the navigation system ensures you never lose your way. With multiple USB ports and a wireless charging pad, staying connected on the go is effortless. Performance. Under the hood, the Land Cruiser is powered by a formidable 5.7-liter V8 engine, delivering impressive horsepower and torque. This engine provides robust acceleration and smooth, responsive performance both on and off the road. The advanced 4WD system, combined with a kinetic dynamic suspension system, ensures that the Land Cruiser excels in any terrain, making it the perfect companion for both urban driving and off-road adventures. Safety features. Safety is a priority with the Land Cruiser, and it shows. Equipped with Toyota's Safety Sense suite, the SUV includes features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. The vehicle's robust construction and advanced airbag system further enhance passenger protection. Driving experience. Driving the Land Cruiser is a pleasure. The combination of powerful performance and a smooth, controlled ride makes it a joy to handle. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring rugged landscapes, the high driving position offers excellent visibility, while the advanced suspension system ensures a comfortable ride over any surface. Conclusion. The Toyota Land Cruiser stands as a testament to Toyota's commitment to quality, luxury, and performance. It offers a perfect blend of rugged capability and refined comfort, making it an exceptional choice for those who demand the best in both their daily drives and their adventures. Thank you for joining us for this exclusive review. The Toyota Land Cruiser truly represents the pinnacle of SUV excellence. Please all friends spot and subscribe our YouTube channel for new videos.